In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android hotspot keeps disconnecting. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few different things you can do. So the first one is swiping down on the top right, and that's going to show your control panel. Then on the top right again, go ahead and click on the settings wheel cog icon. Now from here, go over to network and internet or just connections, and then go ahead and find hotspot, mobile hotspot and tethering. Once you go ahead and find that, just tap Wi-Fi hotspot or mobile hotspot, and then go over to any advanced settings that you might see. So I see Bluetooth tethering right now. If you see any advanced settings, you just want to toggle off the switch for turn off hotspot automatically. And then once you do that, you should be in a better position. Once you've also gone ahead and done that, in the same area, select 2.4 gigahertz band where it says AP band, as that's much more stable and compatible with older laptops, gaming consoles, and smart home devices that often drop 5 gigahertz signals. Now, once you've done that, the final thing I want you to go ahead and do is go over to your settings and then go ahead and find the battery area. Once you're in the battery area, go ahead and click battery saver. If it is enabled, ensure it is off. So I see power saving right now. Go ahead and turn this off because that can also be affecting it. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.